now when we have a warehouse receipt, before posting we can do various things on the warehouse receipt as a document. We can either delete one of the lines if we didn't receive any of those items. We can change the bin code, so where we want to place this item, or maybe we can change the quantity that we want to receive, for example, if we received partially, and so on. So that's what you can do on this warehouse receipt before you can start posting. And once you post the warehouse receipt, source documents will also be posted, and then the new activities will be created. Let's now see how we can post our receipt. So I'll go to home and post receipt. Don't post, and I'll confirm this. Okay, as you can see, system is posting our lines, and we will receive a message that 2 source documents has been posted from our 2 purchase orders. But that we also have a new activity created for us, and this is a put away activity. So warehouse put away document that is now ready for us, that we can process it inside Business Central. But let's now go and see what documents has been created. So if I click OK and go to posted documents, we have posted warehouse receipt. And here we are going to see our receipt that has been posted. From the actions that we can do here, if we deleted put away by accident or there were some issues, we can always create manually a put away activity in the warehouse for us manually from the posted document. If we remember, there was also a source document that has been posted. So if we go home and we navigate to our purchase orders and we open our purchase order that we created, okay, we see that our quantity has been received. So this means that our purchase order also has been received with a warehouse receipt. So when posting a warehouse receipt, program automatically updates the source document, meaning that it is updating the status or receiving the purchase order. If we go and find under the related, we can also see warehouse receipt lines. We can go to order, receipts, and see our posted purchase receipt document that is now created when we automatically posted the warehouse receipt. And now when we have a warehouse receipt posted, important is that now we have a put away document that we are going to process in our next stage.